Hey coding lovers, welcome back to Credit. I am Krishna Sharma and today we are diving deeper into the heart of web development. In our last video, we have got our hands dirty with our first HTML file and explored some essential talking up a notch by understanding the basic of HTML and digging into the HTML elements. So let's jump right in. In this chapter, we will show some basic HTML examples. Don't worry if we use tags have you not learned about yet, because in the future videos I will cover in the depth all the tags. So first is HTML document. All the HTML document must start with document type declaration. This is open braces, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML and close braces. You can see this just if we write exclamation mark in the first line, you can see this is a HTML document. So friends, I think you understand the HTML document itself begin with HTML. So you can see this HTML document begin with HTML. So the visible part of the HTML document between the body text, you can see this visible part of the HTML just in the body tag. Like if I write credit, you can see this. I just write the credit in the body part and you can see this credit it visible on the tag. So let's see the example of HTML. So just copy this part and go to index.html, just paste it and you can see this is our first heading and my first paragraph. You can see this in the heading tag I just write my first heading and in paragraph tag I just write my first paragraph, and you can see this on the browser this both tags are visible. So our next part is doc type declaration. So what is doc type declaration? The doc type declaration represents the document type, what the document type it is, and help browser to display web pages correctly. It must only appear once at the top of the page before HTML text. The doc type declaration is not a case sensitive. The doc type declaration for HTML5 is open braces, exclamation mark, doc type, HTML. I hope you understand. So now let's talk about HTML elements. An HTML document is made up of these elements and these are the building blocks of our web pages. Each element consists of start tag, content and end tag. You can see in this image this is a opening tag, this is closing tag and this is a content, and this whole you can say this is a element. So it's like giving instruction to your browser on how to present different parts of your pages. The HTML element is everything from the start tag to the end tag. Tag name, content goes here, and tag name. Example of some HTML elements. This is heading tag h1, my first. This both is elements. I hope you understand. Empty element text. So in the HTML, some elements don't want any closing tag, just they want a opening tag with two braces. The BR tag define a line break and is an empty element without a closing tag. You can just see this in the browser with this example. If we write just p tag and write graph, you can see this is a line breaking with a change the element. But if I write graph here, you can see this that there is no line gap between this. But if I write just br here and there is a line gap between this. So I think you just get this how we use br tag for line breaking. So what we have covered in this video: open for your text editor, experiment with different elements and see how they affect your web pages. Learning by doing this the key to becoming a confident coder. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of HTML basics and elements. We have just scratch the surface, and here's so much more to learn. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Credit, and hit the notification bell for more exciting coding adventure. Until our next video, happy coding, and I will see you soon.